Hello everyone, this is Mr. Co. I just wanted to make a quick video about flute care and maintenance, ways to keep your flute nice and clean, nice and safe so that it's working and sounds great. All right, so I have my full flute put together here. Every time that you finish up playing the flute, you should be doing a quick clean. It's not a very deep clean, but the two items that you need are a rod, and some rods are metal. Some rods are plastic. Some rods are even wooden. Doesn't really matter what kind of rod you have, but your flute should have come with a rod. If not, you can purchase one at the music store. They're very cheap. The other thing we need is a rag of some sort. There's nothing fancy that you need for this. I actually just have a bandana here. If you have one of those, fantastic. If you don't, if you have an old shirt or if your family has an old shirt that they don't need, you can cut a little square out of that and you can use that to be your flute rag, all right? So pretty much what you want to do is take your flute apart one joint at a time, and you want to make sure that you are taking some time to wipe out the inside of it, because the condensation from our breath kind of stays in there some time, and we want to just make sure that any kind of particles or anything like that gets out of there so that it's ready for your next usage. All right, so what we're going to do, you'll notice that the rod has a hole, and we're going to just try and thread that through, our rag through. I usually like to put my rag over the top, kind of like that, just in case it doesn't scratch, especially if yours is metal. It mostly won't do that, but that's just how I like to do it. And you're just gonna take it, put it inside, maybe spin it around a couple times, just make sure it's getting nice and clean. This can take 5 to 10 seconds. It's really quick. If you want to as well, you can wipe down the mouthpiece or the tone hole where you blew on. Put that away. Do the same thing now with your body. So let me grab that. And this one, depending on the size of your rag, my rag is a little big, so it might not fit all the way through. It might kind of get stuck in there, and that's okay. You can do half on this side, half on the other side, but you might be able to push a good amount. Like my rod is pretty much fully in there, and so I can just kind of spin it around a little bit, make sure it's getting nice and clean, and then I'll do the same thing, and I'll go to the other side of the body, and I'll do the same thing there. And you can do this along with me if you'd like. Just a little bit like that. And then we're gonna finish up with the foot joint, our shortest. There we go. So that's something that you should continue to do every day. One of the most common things that flute players have issues with is their joints. For example, my head joint into the body. Some people have a really hard time pushing this in, and they're like, wow, it's really stuck, or pulling it out, wow, it's really stuck. And the biggest reason that happens is because it's just a little bit dirty. So if you're finding that it's really hard to either put this in or take this out, or the other, the foot joint as well, that just means that we need to spend a little extra time on this area that obviously you can see from here to here is where it really inserts into the body. Just give that an extra little wipe. And the inside here where this fits in, like that, give the inside, and you could use the rod, but I even just put it on my finger like this, and I just wipe out the inside. Those are the most common spots for kind of dirt or grime to get stuck on, and you want to make sure that's nice and clean, and you'll find pretty much every time that once you do that, this slides in super, super easily. So if you find that that's the issue for you, go ahead and give that a try. All right. If you have any further questions on care and maintenance, feel free to bring it to class and let me know about it. There are some things that happen on a flute. For example, under the flute, you can see there are pads that really close the hole all the way. And if one of those pads does not close all the way, it's called a leaky pad. And that means that that note is gonna sound a little funky if you use that key, because the pad is not doing its job all the way. That's not something I can fix or you can fix. That is something that just has to go to the music store, and they'll fix it for you. And that happens from time to time. Getting new pads is kind of part of owning a flute, and that's something that you can get used to. But these are just some quick tips to kind of keep your flute in tip-top shape. All right, see you soon.